Hello friends, myself Roshan Eka. Today I am going to tell you about how to fix server error 5XX. For this, you have to go to your webmaster tool or set it Google Search Console. Okay. Then in left hand side you click on coverage. Then click on error. I have 4 error, 3 issue. Okay. You maybe have 1 error. Okay. Then scroll down and here you can see this server error 5XX. Okay, so here in this video I help you how to fix this error. First I need to go to my cPanel account, which I already open it. Then you have to click file manager, and and here you go to the section public.html. Then you go to the website which the error detected. In my case, this is my website, www.allgovernmentjobsindia.in. Okay, I click on it and here I see the .htaccess file. Okay, if sometimes it does not show for this, you need to go to setting in right corner, click on settings and make sure show hidden files. Click on right tick and click save. I have already clicked it and it's showing. Okay, you can click over it .htaccess file, and either you edit it. If it's something wrongly, then delete it. After backup this file, first you have to backup this file. After delete, click on download and save it to your backup folder. Okay, I already backup this file. Now you can delete this file. You can select this file and click on delete and click on confirm. Okay, now you go to Google and type here WORD WordPress WordPress.org ht access and click on first link. Here scroll down and copy this code, or multi-site you can copy this code, but I think if you have multi-site, then copy this code. I think you have might normal WordPress site, so just copy this code. Just copy this code and open Notepad, open Notepad and paste here this code and save this file. Save this file to .ht access ACCESS and Click on save. Make sure your htaccess.htaccess spelling is correct. Now you go to cPanel. Now you go to cPanel again and click on upload. Select a file which you created, ht.access, and upload it. And go back. Click here to go back. And see here your new htaccess file. And click on edit and see it same content which is showing on this link. Here same content. Okay, so now whenever the Google will crawl it, this error will get removed, server error 5XX. And then if it's error remove or fix, then it's highly chance to Google crawl your page and index fast, and it also help you to get more traffic in your website. Now goodbye to all. Thanks for watching. I am come back to you with another video. Till then, bye. Keep in touch and keep smiling. Bye.